Hi, you have tuned in to Mary.Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video as I continue to present to you my DIY 2021 Decorating Trends on a Budget series. Now I have already uploaded part 1 and part 2 to this series. Now you can find those links in the description box below. Now on this particular video, I had to focus entirely on my bathroom because I have so many DIYs in my bathroom. So I had to give this one a separate name. And the name of this one is DIY 2021 Decorating Trends on a Budget Bathroom Part 2A. So we are going to go ahead on and jump into this video. Okay, for those of you that have already seen my bathroom, my small bathroom video, I have that in the link below. Well, this is a tie back that I made, and I showed this to you in the previous video. And right here is my relax sign that I DIY'd, and also my peace sign, and this was just plain wood, guys. It didn't have any paint on it, and this is another piece that was just in the clay pot, and I DIY'd this as well, painted this like the metallic gold. So here is another piece, a tray here that I DIY'd. Got this from the Dollar Tree, and I went on and DIY'd this tray here, and I just got it sitting here on my tank. And here go two other pieces that I DIY'd here. I did this glass here. I did some looking glass spray on it, and I sprayed the inside, the bottom of it, and it came out looking like a looking glass or mirror, but that's what they call the paint, a looking glass. And oh, and right in the center of it, can you see that frosted look? So this is frosted paint, and this here is looking glass paint. Okay, and here is one of my DIY. I can use this for a towel holder, just to pull back, tie back my towels. And here's the set right here, or I can put them on my curtain like I did this one right here. Okay, here's another DIY I did. This is just a scented candle that I used the glass, the vase of it, and I added these floral here and also the pebble rock. And as you can see, these rocks was browned, and I spray painted them like a soft white, and some of them like a gray, but it probably be hard for you to tell that, but they are that grayish and that white. Okay, this one here I DIY'd this as well, and I put some moss in it right there, and I put the floral there, and I got this little vase here from the Dollar Tree, and this little loves tied around the top of it. Okay, so, and right here is another DIY I did, and I got the diamonds in the bottom of it and some stones at the very bottom. This is a candlestick that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is the cylinder vase I got. I purchased these bling rose wrap. And here is another little DIY I did, and this is holding my pads, makeup removal pads. And so I DIY'd this Okay, and here's another one that I DIY'd. My mirror here, it couldn't find one this size. Okay, this is the size of my mirror. You should be able to see that. It's from here all the way over to here is my mirror. So I had purchased a mirror, didn't like it, paid good money for it, and put it up, had to take it back. And so I went on and I put these mirror towels around the edge of it, and I came in with my bling wrap, my diamond wrap here, and I went all the way around the edge and the outer perimeter of the mirror. Okay, and here is another DIY. These floral came from the Dollar Tree. All of this came from the Dollar Tree. This cylinder tube and the candlestick. This little vase here and the candlestick and this little jar came from the Dollar Tree, and this little relax, I think this came from, I think it was the Dollar Tree. And I just went on and did my little thing on each one of them. And also this mirror tray here, I just purchased a mirror from I believe it was Michael's, either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, cannot remember. And I put bling wrap around, and just something, a little stand to just put my little whatnots on. And that's how I arranged that. And also right here, I did this little mirror tray here. Put the bling wrap around and got the mirror from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Oh, forgot to over here in this little corner, these are some more DIYs that I did, and of course these are just little Dollar Tree mirrors. Okay, Dollar Tree mirrors, and I just went on and put the crushed glass on it, and I put a little of the purple glitter. My shower curtain, I seen these curtains on Amazon, and I believe they was either $50 or $60, cannot remember, but I had some of this bling wrap on hand that I ordered from Amazon, and since I was not using it, I just went on and I got my curtains from Walmart. And I actually sewed this on, guys, because I didn't want to, like, if I washed it, didn't want the glue coming off of it. But I don't know if you can see the stitches. But anyway, it is sewed on. And so anyway, my curtain came out looking like Amazon curtain. Okay, so I think that's everything in this bathroom here. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to leave comments, because comments help my channel grow. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future. Your future looks good on you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and please Don't forget to leave comments because comments help my channel grow. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future. Your future looks good on you. Bye bye.